order na dumating, guys. Gustong-gusto ko talaga tong orderin tong dumating ngayon. Finally, dumating na siya after 2 days. So, nandiyan na, tinawagan ako, guys. Dumating na. So, I'm so excited. So, tingnan natin kung ano to. Surprise na item, unboxing. Pang vlogging din. Hindi masyadong pang vlogging. Basta pang video taking. So, excited ako, guys. See ya! Guys! Nandiyan na siya sa labas, guys! So, gawas para hayag. Guys! So excited! Sponsored by Amazon Prime. Ay, nahulog. Guys, excited ako. As in, tinawagan ako kasi medyo importante itong in-order natin ngayon. So, tingnan natin sa unboxing kung ano to. Excited ba kayo? See you guys! Thank you! Ano siya, friend? Hi guys! So, we're back for another unboxing video. So, this is gonna be a surprise. Let's see what's inside. So, I have been saving for this item for a while, and I'm very happy that I was able to get it. So I ordered this online on Amazon, sponsored by Amazon. I'm kidding, it's not sponsored, but I ordered this online on Amazon like a week ago, and I just didn't have time to open this immediately. So today we're gonna be finally unboxing this one. So let's see what's inside. You guys, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments or questions. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Zoe in Canada. So finally, let's see, guys, what's gonna be inside. Dun, da, da, da. I'm excited to use this item soon. I hope. Let's see. I was supposed to unbox this like when it came.
Eventually.
Came like few days after it came to my mail. Oh no! Dun, 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 dun. What's inside there? So what's inside? Leave your comments down below. Okay, what's inside? What's inside? Ooh. Oh no.